Hey everyone, this is Mr. Bixton. Welcome back to the video, and today we'll unboxing more Beyblade this time, guys. Today we're unboxing this guy. Another Beyblade, another day, guys. Today we're unboxing not one but two super cheap Beyblade. This time it's inspired by a plastic generation. You can see right here. This is named Spin Top Season 2. I don't know. It's the first season 1. You can see there, right here. Newest design power, flourish, high performance, and look at back right here. See, you can see all of these baby right here. I think it's more like inspired by a plastic Gen 1, you know, and you can see right here. You can assemble. Oh yeah, I love this guy. Yes, that's right. We have seen a lot of collection of Beyblade right here. I think this is the cheapest Beyblade that I ever buy. So I bought each one for $1.99 at my local store here. It was called Lotus, and it's interesting that you can get this design. Although it's kind of like cheap, but it's solid. And then another one, I think it's more like, although the picture is like weird, yeah, Supreme first, bit random. So without further ado, unbox this first. This one first. Oh, it's so light. Oh, and you can customize it. It's still stuck here, man. And you have first one here. I think it's more like Trigger S, or Josil. Let's go Supreme first. I know it's and picture is more like a Galaxy One team. And yes, you can customize it. It's also the design like this, and the tip is, and then we have another one, Supreme first. Also this, it's more like Dragoon S, more like President one, same one. Oh, and the victims also, they took a random picture like this. Why they criticize? I have one criticism for this. But why you design this Beyblade but not took the big chip? Maybe it's kind of copyright issue. I don't know. Okay? And then we have the launcher here, but I think here. Oh, just the launcher grip. Oh, the launcher is so great. Anyway, guys, launcher here. So you can see, yes, they are right here. They can put like this. Oh, so hot, Let's do this. Oh, I think I should put like this. Alright, put it like this. Man, it's so hot, Whoa, man. Yeah, I think the launcher is not bad, but it's so hot, to put the launcher right here. You have to push it like this and launch it like this. I don't know. And then with the grip here, man, it's cool. You can see it's super. And in this green color, you can see the design right there. Very interesting. So let's put right here. Oh, let's put like this. Oh, you assemble like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. So solid, you know, but yeah, it's so weird to me. So let's try testing it out first. 3, 2, 1, yep. Get this, guys, it's spinning. Man. Yes, this is a few samples right here. So let's open another one. And yes, it's the same launcher right here, same as this, same as another one. Although the baby is different here. Oh my god. This here, look at this. Supreme first. Man. I think all these baby that I bought so far, this is kinda like the most interesting one. You know, our 4 babies right here. You can see we have the Galaxy one here for the big piece. No, I don't call it the big piece. I think it's called Galaxy Beats. So wacky, you know. And then we have another one here. I think it's more like Dragoon, or maybe this here the Dragon move tree right here, and it's more like Dragon GT, you know. Dragon G or GT, I don't know. Yes. Look at this guy. Oh no. See all of this baby right here. Man. Alright, let's try this. Those baby right here. Come on. Man, it's so tough, you know. Man, it's stuck, you know. Man, so tough. Right here. Listen, guys, I think my launcher is a little bit. I should try got like this from the other box. Man, so tough. Alright, let's try this Dragoon S first. Yes, this time this is the only because it's so tough, you know, using this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh my god. Man, it's still stuck, you know. You start on the launcher first. Oh my god. Man. Yeah, this is one. I want to buy those cheap babies, you know. Choose one whip. Oh my god. Escape. Maybe I should try just like this. Like this. Man, it's so tough, you know. Man, this launcher sucks, man. Sucks. Oh my god, man. I think overall the baby is okay, you know. The baby is so solid. I think I'll give it this time. This purchase one guy like 4 or 5 or 5 or 5. 4 or 10 or 5 or 10. You know, because you know those babies kind of like, man, the launcher sucks, man. I cannot put the vehicle on this. So I recommend if you want to buy high quality one, buy some high quality one, maybe some make face, you know. But this, man, I think I wasted a real money, you know. So I think what you guys think about this video, man? So yeah, I think I should find another way to launch this baby. I think yeah, sucks, man. This launcher so sucks. So I think that's all for today's video. If you want, remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and of course if you want to keep up with all of this, you can follow me on my YouTube channel, Mr. Aviation. And remember, give a thumbs up and goodbye.